thought we were fucking. Boba just died. Boba just got a tap.
Not today.
I heard it.
Not today.
We brought 3 of those. We're like, oh, what's cool? Whatever goes cool. Ow! Fuck! Nice tuck and roll, dude. You see him dive on that? No, he's just been like, oh, I hate prison, dude.
Hut, hut! Go! They didn't make it.
Stop rolling! Your jacket's getting all dirty.
It's camouflage. She's fine.
Some plastic surgeries are cheaper than others. Right? You made that look good.
You made that look good.
Yeah. This is fun.
Good thing I filmed the whole thing down. And away.
Alright.
Good kick, good kick.
Missed.
You're heading for the head. Oh,
I hate prison! I hate it!
grab that bag, come on.
Dude, they're cool. You guys are really cool.
You guys want to do yoga?
Yeah.
Namaste.
It popped.
Boom!
It's not gonna pop, dude. It survived the hill.
How does this kid have this?
Really?